So here we'll be talking about the formula evaluator. The formula evaluator service. If we go to say add action and we search for formula evaluator, you can see we have just one action here. And how does this work? How does this work? You need to put in a mathematical or arithmetic expression here, and it's going to bring out the result. So you can use this to bring out maybe estimates from one of your contacts who has filled in a form, and you want to get something like maybe the quantity times the unit amount. Then you give them it gives you the subtotal automatically, which you can store in a particular field. So that's basically it, and this is a way you can grab the result. Here we have grand total. I can grab here, I go to formula here, get the result. So this is a variable that contains the result of the mathematical expression, and this expression will be evaluated. Let's try something simple. 9 times 8. Save that, save, and we run through the test on our test contact. 9 times 8. So we come back here, test 9 times 8, and that's the result. So basically we get something simple like that. We can also use custom fields, numerical custom fields. So make sure whatever value you're putting in is a numerical value. We can use 9 times quantity, making sure that we know the quantity. Quantity here is 10. So if we go to 9 times quantity, which is 10, and we test that again, we're going to get the result. 9 times 10 is supposed to give us 90. So if we come here, refresh, so that's the result, 90. It's as simple as that.